Welcome to my kitchen. Cook me. Welcome to my kitchen. Prepare me. Cook for me. I'm gonna make pizza today.
Are you ready to make pizza today?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get started, okay?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do first? You wanna roll the dough first?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put this aside, okay?
So, I wanted this.
Oh, this one? Okay, here. Do you know how to roll a pizza dough?
Yeah.
Okay, how do you roll it? We're gonna put it here then, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, you roll that. Oh, I think you need flowers. Flowers. Okay, you roll that. Ooh, so yucky. You're so yucky. Okay, more of that. Alright. Oh, more flowers. Okay, roll. Roll. Harder. How many times are you gonna roll it? 100 million times?
Yeah.
You count it. What shape do you need to make the pizza in?
Red.
Red pizza?
Yeah.
Round pizza, right?
Huh?
Are you gonna make the pizza very round?
Yeah.
Okay, so roll it. One. Alright, I'm gonna push back in. Do you want to use a big one? No? Okay. How about do you want to stretch it with your hand?
Huh?
You want to stretch it with your hand?
No.
No? Okay, you do it. Your pizza's not making round.
Huh?
Your pizza's not round. It's not going anywhere.
Where's it?
So do you want to use a big one? Okay, you use a big one. Push it. Oh. Get Daddy help, okay? How about this side?
Yeah.
Oh. How about this side? How about this side? Alright, let's do this. Ready? Ooh, stretch it. You gotta hold it, stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch it, pizza. Do you want to make it rounder, okay?
Yeah.
How do you make it rounder? Stretch it more?
Yeah.
Okay, so use your hand to stretch it like this. Okay? So stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch it. Stretch it. Want Daddy do it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah. Whoa.
This is not stretching. I don't know how to do it. Push it down. All right, let's put on this, okay? Ready? Oh. Wow.
Whoa. Yay.
Yay.
Pizza.
Pizza? Is that the pizza?
It looks like a cake.
Huh? What kind of shape is it?
It's not a circle.
Is that a circle? I don't think it's a circle. Mommy, is that a circle? Doesn't look like a circle. Looks very square pizza. Look like a Sicilian pizza, I think.
It looks like.
I think you're making a Sicilian pizza, Claire. Are you making a Sicilian pizza? Okay. Are you ready to put the stuff on it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's start with the sauce now, okay?
Yeah. Like Ryan.
What, Ryan?
Like Ryan made a pizza.
Okay, let's put the sauce in it. Ready?
Yeah.
Look at this one.
Want a spoon? Put a spoon and put a sauce in it. Oh, you. One. Okay. More. Need more sauce. We need lots and lots of sauce. No, let's scoop more inside first.
Okay.
How many scoops do you want?
I'll come to 10.
10. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5. Huh?
It looks like what?
Looks like what?
It looks like what?
Glove?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't look like glove. Glove needs 5 fingers. This doesn't have 5 fingers. How many were you in? Is it 6 or 7?
Is it?
6? Oh, so is this 7?
Yeah.
Okay, 7, 8, 9. One more, right?
Yeah.
10. Put the sauce away now. But you gotta make sure everywhere has sauce. You wanna do it? Okay, do it then. You gotta use this side.
Oh,
Use this side. Here,
my hand.
you do it. You do it. You wanna do it? Yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do it yourself. Make sure you cover all the areas.
Okay.
Ay, so messy. Ay,
Let's do it.
you do it? Is it good now?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to put some stuff on it? Or do you want to put a cheese first?
I will put the cheese.
You want to put a cheese first? Okay, let's get the cheese. Okay, let's put the cheese on it then. You put the cheese on it. Now put 2 hands. Oy, 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 oy. Okay, more. Let's put this away. Oy, 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 oy. Ay, so yucky. How about here?
Okay.
How about here? We gotta put cheese all over the place here.
Okay.
You gotta cover all the areas, okay?
Okay.
You make sure all the area has cheese.
Okay.
You can use it all.
Okay.
Which one do you want to put in the pizza first?
Pepperoni.
You want to put pepperoni? Okay, you gotta do one by one then, okay? Okay, you do it. Okay.
One.
You gotta cover it like the pizza, okay?
Okay.
Gotta use 2 hands then. It's okay.
What's that?
Yeah. Your daddy help or you want to do it yourself?
I do my dough.
Okay, fine. You do everything yourself. And we're good. Are we good? Does it cover it all?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What's next?
Corn.
Corn? You're gonna put corn? Okay. So let's sprinkle the corn. It's like cheese. Like oh. Oh. Everywhere, huh?
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. Everywhere.
I'm daddy need to
You want daddy help?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
You first.
I first?
Yeah.
Ooh.
What?
Oh, okay, you do it.
You put it on the tree.
Yeah, you put on the cheese, okay?
It looks like
Okay. And then what's next?
chocolate.
You want sausage inside too? You want to do it yourself or you want my help?
I need help.
You need help?
Off on the corn.
Okay, off on the corn. Oh, you still have some pepperoni left. Do you want to put it on?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's put all the pepperoni on it. Is it done?
Yeah.
So what kind of pizza do you have now? It's a round?
Yeah.
That's round? I don't think so.
It looks like
A square. Okay, it is a square pizza.
I'll done the pizza now.
So what are you gonna do next? Do you need to cook it?
Yeah. In the oven.
Okay, let's put it in the oven, okay?
Yeah.
Open the oven. Put it in. We preheat the oven to 450 already, so we're gonna set the timer, okay?
Yeah. We cook the pizza 20 minutes.
Do you want to take the pizza out the oven?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Ooh, is it yummy?
Whoa.
Ooh, yummy pizza. Very hot. Yummy pizza. Let's see next to you. Is that your brother? Coco?
Yeah.
Okay, you gonna eat pizza with your brother?
Yeah.
Aiden, you ready to eat pizza that Claire made?
Yeah. And then share with Aiden.
You gonna share with Aiden?
Yeah.
Okay. So which one do you want, Aiden?
This one.
This one? Okay.
I want this one.
Okay, you have this one. Super hot, okay? Yay. Is it yummy? Aiden, is it yummy? Is the pizza yummy?
Pizza yummy. Pizza yummy.
Yummy. Oh, do you want water too?
Ice water.
Ice water.
Claire, try it. Try your pizza.
So hot. It's not cool.
Very hot.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.